Air One Air Conditioning, Heating, and Cooling
Located on Transcontinental Drive in Metairie, Louisiana.
has a mission to provide the highest quality comfort systems.
Our clients will have the ultimate indoor environment.
Air One
Turns
turns customers into clients. 504-888-6702.
Here are 5 easy ways to save money.
1.
Check for air leaks or disconnected ducts.
Number 2.
Seal air leaks around doors and windows.
Use caulk and weather stripping. Number 3.
Use compact fluorescent light bulbs.
Number 4.
Change your air conditioner's air filter monthly during the summer.
Number 5.
Always set AC thermostat fan selection to auto, never to on.
504-888-6702.
4441 Transcontinental Drive, Metairie, Louisiana, 7006.
504-888-6702.